this is the 2018 AMC 10A number 15. The two circles of radius 5 are externally tangent to each other and are internally tangent to the circle of radius 13 at points A and B, as shown in the diagram. The distance AB can be written in the form m over n, where m and n are relatively positive integers. What is m plus n? Okay, so I'm going to start by labeling this. This right here would be 5 to the radius, and then all the way up to the center is 13. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a big triangle so that we can get some similarity properties going, because that's really how we're going to be able to solve this. And then here we'll just say that this is the radius instead. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is x, y, and z. So this length over this length is equal to this length over this length, because triangle XYZ is similar to that of triangle XAB. So we have XY over XA is equal to YZ over AB. Now the good thing about this is we know what both of these are. XY is going to be 13 minus 5. So we're going to have 8 over an XA. It's going to be the radius of that big circle, which is going to be 13. This is all given in the problem. And YZ is going to be one radius here plus another radius here. It's going to be 10 over AB. Okay, so now we have everything, and we can, the only variable we have is AB, which is exactly what we want. So we have AB is equal to 130 over 8. You multiply both sides by AB and by 13. Let me just do this over here so zero confusion. These cancel out, that becomes 130. These cancel out, that becomes 8AB is equal to 130, and then you divide by 8 to get this. Okay, now maybe you're thinking, okay, M is 130, N is 8, we solved the problem, we're done. But here's where you just have to make sure that you aren't being careless, because you've made it this far, you don't want to get the problem wrong. It says they're relatively prime positive integers. So we can divide this by 2 on both sides, and you get 65 over 4. So now these are relatively prime positive integers, so 65 is going to be m, and 4 is going to be n. So just like it says in the problem over here where AB is m over n. So we need to find out what m plus n is. M plus n, that is going to be 65 plus 4, and the answer is 69. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.